Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to the online class of Bardwan Model School. Welcome you all to the science class. In our previous class, we are doing the question answer from the exercise of chapter 1, that is food and digestion. So, we will be doing the question answer. We have already started the question answer from short answer question from the exercise, okay, from chapter number 1. So, what is the name of the chapter? It is food and digestion. Yes. So, name of the chapter is chapter 1, food and digestion. Okay. Yes, all of you. And I think all of you are having your science book with you and also your school science copy. Okay. You are having your book with you and your school science copy. Yes. Okay. Okay. And we are doing the exercise. So, I will write here exercise. Okay. Page number, your page number is page number 10 in your science book, because you know we have been already started short answer question from the exercise of this chapter, and we have done up to I think question number 4. No, last question is what we have done is, why do we preserve food items? Why do we preserve food items? We have done up to this question. So, today we will be doing from question number 5. I think all of you have your copy with you, science copy. You will write down your science copy. Okay. And yes. So, let me write the question. Question number 5 is, what is the function of pancreas? And all of you will switch off your front camera. Everybody will switch off the front camera. Before starting, I will request everyone, please switch off your front camera. Okay. See here. So, this is section D, short answer question. Short answer question. Okay. We are doing short answer question now. Question number 5. What is the function? What is the function of pancreas? What is the function of pancreas? Okay. Yes. Okay. Answer. Pancreas you will underline pancreas there. Pancreas produces produces juices that help to digest carbohydrates, fats and proteins in small intestine. Okay, this is the answer. So, I will repeat once again. I will repeat once again. I will repeat once again. What is the function of pancreas? Question number 5 from short answer question. Pancreas produces juices that help to digest carbohydrates, comma, fats and proteins in small intestine. Okay. So, now one question. I have written here juices. What is the name of the juice? It is pancreatic juice. Okay, it is pancreatic juice. Okay. So, question number 5 completed. Now, we will move to next question. Question number 6. I think all of you are writing there. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, number 6, during dinner, all of you please look at the book, it is page number 10. During dinner, Manisha always serves water to everybody in the family. Here, this is a value based question. So, here we will do only question number 6A. There are two parts of the question, A and B. We will do only A from question number 6 and B we will just discuss, no need of writing, that is the discussion. Question number A, how many glasses of water should we drink daily? So, here we have seen that during dinner time, Manisha, she is a very kind girl, she is serving water to everybody in the family. Now, the question A is, how many glasses of water should we drink daily? So, let me write the question. This is question number 6A. Question number 6A, how many glasses of water should we drink daily? Should we drink daily? How many glasses of water should we drink daily? Okay. Now, the answer, everybody will write the answer now. We should drink about 8 to 10 glasses of we should drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Okay. All of you please write it down now. So, I will repeat once again the question we are doing from short answer question from the exercise of chapter 1. Question number 6a, how many glasses of water should we drink daily? We should drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Now, there is second part number B of question number 6. What value do we learn from Manisha? No need of writing in your copy, just I will tell you verbally or orally, verbal discussion now. See what value we learn from Manisha. See, Manisha is a very kind girl and she is very health cautious. She is thinking about the health of her family members. She is serving water every day. She is serving water to her family members during the dinner time. So, that means she is thinking the health of her family members. She knows that after we are eating the food, actually we are eating the food, after food we should drink water also, because you know water helps in the proper digestion of the food. Water helps in the proper digestion of the food. Water helps the body to dissolve, digest and absorb the food. Water also regulates our body temperature. Water helps in removing our body waste through sweat and urine. Okay. This is your answer. I think all of you got that one. Okay. Yes. So, this value is kind-hearted kindness and our health cautiousness. These are the values we are learning from Manisha. Okay. Now, I think all of you have completed this one. Now, we will be writing question number 7 now. Yes, question number 7. What is meant by digestion? Okay. Before starting this answer, let me rub the board. I will rub here question number 5. And the answer also. Okay, now question number 7. What is meant by digestion? Okay. I think all of you have completed question number 6a also. How many glasses of water should we drink? All of you have completed? Yes. So, I will rub it here also. Okay, what is meant by digestion? Answer. Digestion, all of you will underline the word digestion. Digestion is a process in which the food we eat is broken down into simple and soluble substances. Digestion is a process in which the food we eat is broken down into simple and soluble substances that are absorbed by the body, that are absorbed by the body. Completed. Okay. So, I will repeat that one. What is meant by digestion? This is question number 7 from short answer question. Question number 7. What is meant by digestion? Digestion is a process. Digestion is a process in which the food we eat is broken down into simple and soluble substances that are absorbed by the body. Okay. So, we have completed up to question number 7. Okay. Up to question number 7 we have completed. Okay. Today up to this much. Next day we will be doing question number 8, that is left from short answer question and long answer question. Okay. So, till then, bye everyone and thank you. Thank you and bye.